Hello, EDUC 815, and welcome to week 5, which is looking at data in Excel. This week, I'd like you to listen to the week 5 podcast that is posted here. You will be hearing special guest speaker Dr. Michael Lindstrom, who used to teach this course, and he talks about the role of gamification in education. He also talks about the use of data warehouse and ultimately the use of Excel. Many school districts have purchased data warehouses so that they can store all of their data together on students, whether it is special education data, standardized testing data, demographic data, and that data is accessible, sortable, and transferable as students move from elementary to middle to high school. Dr. Mike Lindstrom names several different data warehouses in his podcast. One that our school now uses at St. Michael Albertville, and you may as well, is Synergy. The truth is that some districts are using data warehouses, but others are also using Excel because Excel is cheaper, or they might be using Excel in tandem with some kind of data warehouse. So our assignment this week is going to be looking at sorting and filtering information in Excel. Please listen to the podcast and then do the assignment. The directions for the assignment are found here. Your assignment will ask you to download an Excel file that has been created for administrative use in a large school district. Dr. Mike Lindstrom spent his career at Anoka Hennepin, which I believe is the largest school district in Minnesota. A second resource explains briefly how to navigate within Excel, what you're looking for in the analysis. Once you've completed the analysis, you will upload the revised Excel file here for grading. And when we're referring to that, we're talking about this. Here are your directions for how to use Excel. Here is your data file that you're going to manipulate, and then you have a choice. You can either watch a YouTube video on how to prepare your data, or you can download the video itself onto your computer. Finally, there is a discussion forum. I love this question. If teaching is an art, why do we need data? How do those two things tango? And then finally, what technologies might have the greatest impact on data-driven decision-making in schools? From your teachers who are working in their PLCs all the way up to administration, of course, you're needing to make those data-driven decisions. And we often use technology to go visual and to do those things. So that is it for week 5. If you have any questions, of course, email me or give me a call. Take care.